Yes. You know, some guys don't even appreciate the effort a woman puts in a relationship. Yes, it's true. Okay. Mm. So tell me, are you this kind of a man that raise your hand on a woman? Like, are you a woman beater? Are you sure you're not? Hmm. You're not whining. Mm, that's fine. Of course, I'm always available. Mm. Yeah. All right. I'll see you later. Bye. What's up, my babe?
I'm fine.
What?
Tell me, who is that person you just spoke with on the phone that's making you smile like this? Tell me.
Well, it's Morris.
Morris.
Mm-hmm.
Is it Morris is making you smile like someone that's in love?
Beauty, you know you're my best friend.
Tell me, talk to me, baby.
And I'm not going to lie to you. I think I have fallen for him.
Queen, fall for that guy.
You don't like him?
Well, I wouldn't pretend that I like him. I don't just like that guy one bit. There's something doesn't add up. There's something off about him.
I understand. But I promise you, with time, you will like him. Morris is a nice guy. Trust me. He's cool. Just spend a little time with him.
Story.
Why are you making me try to convince
Okay.
you? Come on.
Okay, I will try. But meanwhile, I will advise you to be very careful. Very, very careful.
I am always careful. But yes, boss. Most definitely.
I'm serious though.
I hear. I'm careful. I like him.
I can see that.
So
Anyway, before you, I want that your tailor's number. Very important.
okay, let me just call it for you.
Okay, let me just get my phone.
Oh, it's fine.
Okay.
Oh, yeah.
Love a girl.
Oh, boy, silly you.
Hey, everything is fake. The life is a game. All night, judge, they want to make you.
Hey! We dey walk in the show. I like the rap. Hey! We dey walk in the show. I like the rap. I have ever seen in my life.
Can this just be happening every day?
It will continue to happen, though. Hey! If this one they happen, now me say we don't make this our work. Permanent work be that. Wait, make a check. Wait first. I need to know. He shock you. He shock you, Abi. I don't want to make them hear my voice fast. And I need respect myself. I no like I never see that kind of thing. Hey. You're not. It dey work. No. Now when they walk, it dey show. The alarm dey enter. Baga. It dey work. It dey show. Alarm dey enter. Babe. Wait. How is it okay? Me, I need me safety on my own now. I don't understand. Now, couple berry.
With this your palace.
With this your palace.
Now this
No,
this
one
one
try.
collect that money.
No.
You dey see am?
No, take the self. Okay, now, yeah. Say cheese. See fine guests now.
Hello? Mercy, how are you? Any problem? Oh, okay. I'll call her, okay? I'll call her very shortly. I'll call her. Mercy, when I drop this call, as soon as I drop this call, I'm going to give her a call, okay? And don't worry, I'll send mommy some money and I'll send you some money too. You're welcome. All right, take care of yourself.
In the walk, we there walk, in the show, oh, what is so fits me? Hey!
Mommy.
Everything is fake, the life is a game. Oh, not judge.
Queen, listen. Where are you? You can't believe who I just saw now. I saw Edward with another woman. Yes. She not even went as far as opening the door for her to go in. I'm telling you, he just drove out with her now. Queen, guess what the person is? Maurice's crazy cousin. I swear to God, if it was another person, it would have been even better, but that crazy bitch. Please. Queen, please, I beg you, please, just come. Come with me. I don't think I can drive alone. I don't think I can drive my car, please. Come with your car. What are you saying? I'm still here. Just come to Home Care Supermarket. Yes. Do you see me here? Hurry, please. I'm so heartbroken.
No shortcut in life. Hey.
So they go, they misbehave, they talk anyhow because they see get for road. I don't blame her. Nonsense, bombastic human being. Who be that? Now what for you? I don't they call you sis. Tracy.
What happened to your face?
No vex. What happened to my face? What you do my face?
Why your face be like this?
Not be one stupid broke guy, one useless nonsense bombastic animal idiot boy.
Only one person.
The thing, I'm just so angry right now. Can you imagine? This boy stopped me for road. Asked me, say,
how much for a night that he wants us to spend the night together. I can't tell him. The guy begin to price me like say na backyard crayfish na in dey buy. As I just find like this, so as a package for package for back, he dey price me cheap for waiting now.
Imagine.
Now tell yeah, so my sight.
Imagine the guy not get feel.
The idiot just waka comot. Can you imagine that?
Now what? I bet no mind all these kind guys. That's how they behave. Where they come from now?
My dear, that shit that before they come, I say make I show you before you come begin come. No mind that stupid boy and just spoil my mood.
Then no worry. Forget that guy, eh?
Nah, idiot.
Nah, just nonsense guy.
My girl no dey play. I beg, wetin be this one now?
Hey!
Chasing my girl.
Now one new cash when I take fine. Hey, when I see this guy,
It's not way.
I'll be small.
Nothing is real about these girls. Hey, they keep living.
What I just spent yesterday. So they talk like that. Me na Azamama. They make nice.
Wait, babes. See that girl when I tell her, say snatch my boyfriend, oh.
She don't enter. We go show am pepper.
Omo.
Woto. On top her body.
Come on.
Give her chance.
Guy get money.
Hey.
After me with her run shows, I give her all this time.
I
I trust you now. As I give her, I just say, babe, I want to spoil you.
Now don't they do babe?
I work for you. No, do babe before.
Hey.
Why you go carry me go one kind place like this?
I bet me go collect my own
He
for
spoil me.
Make we dey go. My girl don't get dudes. My girl don't get.
We shall be dudes.
Now dude they call this kind of business.
I don't understand. Who be this one? Why you stand for my front? Eh?
I know you don't know me too well, but I know you. I have your record. Tracy, the boyfriend snatcher.
Eh?
That's what you are.
You hear what he talk? You say what? You dey mad? I mean you dey crazy? You dey smoke? We can read the top bottle. Who you dey cause boyfriend pressure? You dey you slap me? I want to slap Sorry. Don't touch me. Where you go? I see blood. I don't wound myself.
Now my fight.
Which one be my fight?
I'm supposed wound. You see how sad all these guys people like
We are not vex. I just go carry stick now.
You say how you stick? What do they fight stick for?
Allow me ma talk. I just stand up. Just see me. I don't wound myself. I don't carry this thing down for kill us for here.
Maybe you go snatch person boyfriend.
Which snatch person
I follow you
boyfriend?
snatch. Why you be
Not talk to me like that.
I'll talk to you like that. Now me they gon' beat for the whole matter. What you go send me for this matter now?
I beg, stand up.
They won't give me.
I was talking about
Everything is fake, the life is a game. All not judge, they want to make you believe they are high class chicks. They are high class. Nothing is real. These are girls who can
now.
Take it easy now. Take it easy. What is it now? Why you
pressing it as if I'm your enemy.
I better not make me laugh. Eh? I'll take it easy, don't worry. Please. It's okay now. Stop screaming like a child now. You want to make all this tatafom neighbors? Maybe they say I kidnap person for my house.
You know kidnap me? If you dey do as one I go, if you're doing this one I will not shout now.
They say I kidnap you. Quiet.
Then they do as small.
The problem is that you're so soft. You're too soft. Small, don't worry, I'll take it easy. It's okay. It's okay now, huh?
Oh, mommy,
Let me massage this thing well now. You too do.
No.
Why you like not
I am dying,
Me that I'm pressing the water is even hot in my hands. I'm dying.
Why did you not stay there? Why did you leave? Look at now, it's me that's really not the pain.
It's okay now. The fight was too much now. I had to go and look for long wood so that I used to, whip them.
It's
Sorry.
Okay. Don't press it again. No, leave me. Don't worry. Let me just die with the pain. No.
Beauty! Are you still in this moody state? Come on, girlfriend. You should be grateful that this even happened, for you to know who he truly is. I know it's not easy, but I made jollof rice. So, food is ready. And it's your favorite, I know, right? Beauty. I'm not hungry. No, I am not going to take that. You must have to eat, even if it's just a little, right?
Queen, you just don't understand. I really don't have the appetite for anything now. Okay, maybe later.
No, you will eat. And no excuses. I'm going to get the dining ready, right? Good morning, sir.
Good morning, Queen. How are you?
I'm fine. Welcome.
Good, yes. So, how's your friend?
She's fine.
I've been calling her line from yesterday till this morning. She didn't pick.
She's in her room, so let me get her.
Okay.
Please sit.
Thank you.
Good morning, Dad.
Good morning. How are you?
I'm fine, Dad.
Are you okay?
Yes, Dad, I'm okay.
Well, I've been calling your line since yesterday to this morning, and you didn't pick. Anyway, I came to see you because there is a contract that came up. Knowing full well that your fiancé is an architect and you're about getting married, I thought it wise to use him to execute the contract. But of course, I needed to bounce it off you to ensure that you are cool with it. That is why I came to see you.
Dad, you're not giving him any contract. And I'm not getting married to him.
Why?
Dad, can you believe that Edward has been in town since? And when I called him yesterday morning, he lied to me. He lied to me that he's still in Port Harcourt, that he might be coming back in 2 weeks' time. Can you imagine, Dad?
Are you sure about this?
I'm very sure, Dad. I'm very sure. I even saw him with a woman yesterday. And I'm very sure that that girl is his girlfriend. Because the way... Oh my God, I can't even... He even went as far as opening the door for the girl to go in.
How could Edward do this to you?
I'm just tired. I can't go on with this. Right now, I just want to focus on myself. I want to focus on my career. Do you know how bad I felt yesterday? Do you know? That was even why I was not responding to your call.
Edward. Good day, Edward. How are you? How is Port Harcourt? Please, when you come back, I would like you to see me immediately. It's very important.
So when am I seeing you again?
We will talk on phone then.
All right. I would love to get a kiss before I leave.
Love of kiss.
Oh. All right, take care.
Okay.
Talk to you later.
Oh! Sir, what was that for? Oh.
So, this is your Port Harcourt, right?
No, sir. I came in 1 hour ago.
But I called you 20 minutes ago.
No, sir. I just came in. I've not even gotten to my house.
George! One more lie! And I will mess you up!
Sorry, sir. Sorry, sir.
What you don't know is that I was a boxer when I was young.
Sorry, sir.
How dare you? Huh? One more lie from you and I will completely mess you up here.
Sorry, sir. Sorry, sir.
So, you messed up my daughter, right?
Sorry, sir.
A girl who has not asked you for anything, not money, nothing. And now, you mess around with little things like this. Now let me tell you, anybody who messes with my daughter's emotion has me to contend with.
Sorry, sir.
Do you understand me?
Where were you running now?
So you have a serious girlfriend and you lied to me that you don't have any.
Wait. How do you expect a guy like me to have just one girlfriend? Is it possible? Don't you use your head?
Are you serious?
Come on, give me my glasses.
Are you serious?
It's not for you to tell me sorry.
Are you being serious
Are you
right
being
now?
serious? No, I'm not serious. I'm being serious.
Baby girl.
Papa.
I'm fine. I'm happy your mood is brighter.
Yes, dear. I've just discovered that idiot does not want my love. So let me move on with my life.
That is the best decision. You did the right thing. Trust me. This is queen and not beauty. What did he say? Can you imagine that idiot? He said your father embarrassed him and his sister.
My dad. Huh? But I told my dad when he came yesterday I shouldn't do anything to Edward when they meet. I told him.
That Edward is too annoying for my liking.
Dad, you didn't need to go embarrass Edward like that. Huh? I told you that I'm okay, I'm fine. Why would you take things upon yourself?
Look, do you think I'm happy? You think I'm happy about what he did to you? Huh? Somebody needed to teach him lessons so that in his next life he will know how to treat women.
Dad, it's okay. It's okay. And this involves me. I can handle things on my own, please.
Can you hear yourself? You are my daughter, my blood. So whoever hurts you, hurts me. So don't tell me I shouldn't be involved. I must be involved in your affairs.
Daddy, I know that you love me. I know that you don't want to see me sad. But please, don't go to Edward again. I have moved on with my life. So please don't. I beg you.
I'm done with him anyway. So don't bother yourself, okay? Let's go.
Yeah. Okay. Oh.
Hi.
You didn't tell me you were coming. What if I wasn't home?
Well, if you weren't home, I still would have waited. Wait. It's not a big deal.
Have a seat.
Thank you. I got this for you.
For me?
Yes, please.
Okay. Thank you. Oh, my ice cream.
You
Thank you.
like it?
Yeah, it's my favorite.
Ah. Well, I just stopped over to see if I could get you something. I never knew you. You're fond of ice cream.
Of course, yeah. I'll do this later.
It's all right. So, how's your day been?
Oh, been good. Not quite long. I got back from the salon.
It's all right. If you don't mind, can I'll take you somewhere we could have lunch together.
Oh, lunch. That would be nice. Some other time, you know.
Some other time.
Yeah.
Wait now. No. What is it now? Why are you screaming? Hold on now. Why are you screaming like a child?
No, you want to kill me or you want to kill me?
I'm not even putting pressure now. Okay, yeah, wait.
Wait
now, let me
you do it small now. What is this?
bring your hands and make a massage.
No, let me die, please. Just let me die in pain, no. Let me die in pain, please. Don't help me, please.
Who is there?
It's me, Mercy.
Come in. Come in, oh.
So what happened to you? No, nobody should touch me, please. What is this? Like, you want to kill me? Mercy. Sister. Mercy. Thank God your sister is alive. You would have had a sister, some street urchin.
Now. Neighbors are around, though. May I not say I kidnap you, I beg.
Sorry. Please don't touch me. Sorry. Some useless, nonsensical, barbaric street urchins. They attacked me. It was just God that saved me. Hi, sister. I'm so sorry. I thought it was just fever or something else. You said you're not feeling fine. Yes.
Fever?
No. It was slapping, beating, punching, even karating. They were lucky because they are plenty. They gathered me. If not that they were much, what I would have done to them.
Hi. Sister, thank God you are alive. Oh. Hey, God.
I survived.
See, look. Please, Mercy, just continue the massage. Let me prepare something for her to eat so that you can take your drugs. Just imagine. You still get mad to the top. You get lost and not blow your left teeth too. Which are your hand? Don't where you take your time.
Oh, you really they kill me for here.
I bet I go prepare something for you. See how you shout like small.
You know enemy within you.
Which enemy within?
Enemy within you.
Please, just help me do the massage.
No, I won't make you massage me.
Carry this thing. Clean
I go where?
I don't even know where to start. No, I have to massage you. You don't want to get better.
Don't I look better?
No, now.
Don't touch me. No.
Don't look better. Let me try.
All I need is rest.
Babe, you didn't tell me you were going out. Where did you go?
I went to see my dad.
Guilty. But I told you not to. That there's nothing wrong. And again, your father did the right thing. A father should be able to fight for his daughter. Don't you get it?
Yes, I know that. But you know, my father used to be a boxer in his childhood.
Yeah.
I don't want him to punch people's children to death. I had to go talk to him.
Okay, that's fine. Besides, you know how to flow with your dad.
Exactly. He's my dad. Let's go. We have a lot to talk about.
Let's go. I love this. I love this.
So much.
Shortcut in life. Hey, everything is fake. The life is a game. Oh, not Naija, they want to make you believe they are high class chicks.
Okay. Yes.
I'll be taking my leave in 2 weeks' time. Okay. No, it's not a problem. All right, sir. It's okay.
I'm going back.
What are you doing here?
You've not been taking my calls.
That does not answer my question. I said, what are you doing here?
I want us to talk.
Talk about what?
I came to know if I have offended you, so I can apologize. Because it's obvious that you are angry with me.
Yes. I am very angry with you. I'm not even going to lie about that.
Is it because your father saw me with my sister? If he tells you anything contrary that he saw us kissing, it's a lie.
Edward, you have been in this town since. And you lied to me that you're still in Port Harcourt.
No. I came in that very day your father saw me. Yes.
You are such a pathetic liar. I saw you. Yes! I saw you a day before that day. Do you want to tell me you didn't go to the mall? I saw you with a woman. You even went as far as opening the door for her and you drove off with her.
Alright, I admit that. I was the one. I came in 6 days ago, but I've been very busy. Yes.
Oh, really? Busy? Busy with women, of course.
No. You know my kind of job. I'm an architect. And my boss cannot do any work without me. Yes. Believe me.
I don't even know why we're still having this conversation. You know what? Just get out. I said, get out. Get out of my compound.
Just like that?
Just like that. Out.
We can talk this out, please.
There is nothing to talk about. Just go.
Please. Let's go to somewhere cool. Talk this out. I mean, to iron it out, please.
I don't have anything to iron with a player and a liar. Just go. And don't you dare call my number again. Leave.
Are you for real?
Get out. I said, get out!
Alright. I will leave. But I will be back when you're in good mood. Okay? Take care.
It's okay, Mama. I started the job just a few... No, I just started the job. Was it Mercy that told you about that? It's okay, Mama. How are you doing? Hope you're fine. It's alright. Please take care of yourself, okay? Alright, Mama. Have a nice day. Bye.
Hope your mom is fine.
So. She just called to check on me and to know how I'm doing. Nothing much.
Your mom is good though. No be like my mama. My mom will only call when she needs money.
Come on now. Come on. You know you guys are much now. It's not easy.
I beg, leave that matter. How are you feeling now?
My dear, I feel much better. At least no more pains.
Alright, that's good.
Babe, let me get myself some tea.
Okay, I want to even go to the supermarket to get something. This guy is crazy. Trying to say send picture. You dey crazy, so You dey craze, waka. I'm not send you any picture. Wetin you wan see?
Bills, keep living a borrowed life. Nothing is real about these girls. Hey, they keep living a fake life, fake life, fake life, fake life. Nothing is real. Nothing is real. Nothing is real.
Can we talk?
Talk about what?
Okay, I mean no harm. I mean no harm, alright? It's just a peaceful conversation.
I hope you are not up to something.
Not at all. Just come into the car so we can talk.
So, what is it you want us to talk about?
I know how it hurts to lose someone you love to another woman. But trust me, I didn't do it. I didn't do any of those you accused me of. Look at me. I'm a hard-working woman. I make my money. I don't need any man's money. I can travel to any country of my choice without stress. So I don't even have time for men. I'm really sorry for your loss, right? But I will advise you move on and forget about him. A better man will come.
Yes, I know.
So what do you do?
I'm a stylist, though I stopped working 4 months ago.
Oh, stylist. What if I offer you a job?
I'll be very happy. I'll be very happy, ma. Though, depends on the job and location, because I don't want to do a job outside my profession.
It's fine. I am the CEO of Queen's Beauty Salon. I'm offering you a job of 60,000 naira monthly. Is that okay by you?
Oh my word! I went there in search of a job, and the manager said there is no vacancy. I'll be very happy. I would like to work with you, ma. I'll be very happy.
I see. Can you resume this weekend?
I would like to resume tomorrow.
Tomorrow? Oh, that's fine. You have a job now.
Thank you very much, ma. Ma, there is something I want to tell you. And please, I hope you will not change your mind about the job.
No, not at all. Not at all. Go ahead.
Maurice paid us to harass you that very day. Everything you saw that very day, everything that happened, the snatching of a boyfriend, everything was staged. He only did it so you see him as a good person. Please forgive me, I'm so sorry. I only agreed to do it because I needed to support my roommates for our house rent. I'm sorry, please forgive me.
You know, there's something I fancy about you. You're a good guy. The other day, you saw me in troubles and you came to my rescue. Not minding you could also get yourself into trouble. No, I like that. Thank you. A good friend.
Well, let's just say that's how it's built. I mean, when I like someone, I am emotionally drawn to someone, I see myself giving a lot for that person. I'll do anything, everything for that person. I'll put my life on the line for that person.
The other time you ignored my thank you. Hopefully this time you accept it. Thank you.
You're welcome.
No smile?
Tracy.
Eh?
Sorry.
What now? What are they tracing me for?
Good evening. Tracy, I beg, I fit talk to you, I beg.
Are you here?
Tracy, I beg. I need Wendy back, please. I beg, you fit help me talk to Wendy. I love her so much, I beg.
Hey! Percy don't suffer. Like this, you want Wendy back. Like this. As you did so. You want Wendy back.
I did serious.
Yeah.
I'm serious, I beg.
So, as now maybe Wendy close friend, you want me to talk to her as her best friend, eh?
Yes.
Yeah.
I know you can do that.
No problem.
Okay.
Anything for you, Emeka.
Thank you so much.
I
God
will
bless
do.
you, Tracy.
Hey. Emeka, get out from here.
Huh?
I said get out from here, you Chris.
Tracy, what did I do now? Did I wrong you? Did I do anything wrong?
Emeka, I said get out from here, you Chris.
Tracy, what did I...
Shut up! See your mouth, they smell. You never bath since how many days? You want Wendy? My God, may God punish you. I said, give this place now.
Sorry, no offense. Tracy, I beg now. Help me now. Tracy, I beg now. Person know they do mistake. Now mistake I do. I don't know what I do. I beg. I beg, please.
You don't know what you do.
Okay, Tracy, no problem. I go. But before I go, I beg. No offense. If it help me for small money, just small money, make a fit take job. I beg.
Hey, make I help you for small money.
I
don't blame you.
Hunger won't kill me.
No, I don't blame you. Now because of what you do to Wendy, I make your life be like this. Look at it, karma. You don't know. Karma is a bitch.
I know.
What goes around will come around.
I beg now.
I beg now.
Forgive me, I beg.
So Emeka, you want like this. Make I put my hand inside my back, give you money and you go collect.
I go collect.
You go collect. You're very stupid. Come on for here! You don't crazy, I said come on for... Come on for here now, idiot! You want come to collect my money? Are you mad? You see me see trouble, oh. They ask me for money for food. See this smelly dirty thing. Nonsense.
Queen, are you serious? I'm not kidding, Beauty. That girl wasn't even lying at all.
I said it. I never liked that guy one bit. I never liked him. Can you imagine?
Goodness. Morris, you went too far. He has caused me to develop a strong hatred on him.
I can imagine. Now, wow. My own just the finish. Your own can't come.
You know what, girlfriend? I suggest that you stay away from him. Stay away from him, please. No, you don't need to say much. Our friendship has ended. Ah, good. Much better.
Yeah. Make you slow down, slow down. No
Mercy.
shortcuts.
Sister, you shouldn't have bothered coming now. At least you just picked up your phone, call me, and I'll stay. Come on.
Ah, sister. Me, I prefer seeing you physically. Eh? Do you know how would have been the last time I came to this place?
Okay.
At least I have seen for myself. You're looking good.
You'll not kill me. Okay, tell me, how was sales today?
Ah, very well. Very, very, very well.
Yes. So you're going back from here to the shade, right?
Out to the shade? No. I finished selling on time today. So I'm going to the house from here.
Professional sales. You took it from me now.
Yes,
Degree.
yes.
Child lady salesperson. Okay, let me quickly get you something to eat. Okay, before you go back home.
Okay, I'm waiting for you.
Can't you get up and go to the kitchen?
No,
You're not a guest here. Kaya, longer. You like food, you don't want to do the work.
Yes, that's the last
Let me
one.
quickly get you something to eat, Joe.
I'm waiting.
You too like Osho.
Thank you, sister. Thank you.
Hey, everything is fake. The life is a game. Oh, not Naija, they want to make you believe they are high class chicks. They are high class. Nothing is real. These are girls who can pay their bills. Keep living a borrowed life. Nothing is real about this girl.
Are you looking for someone? Are you looking for someone, Morris?
I'm looking for you. Are you not going to offer me a seat?
No. I don't offer my seat to a betrayer who claims a fake superhero by rescuing someone from the hands of the strangers. You see, you're not welcome.
What are you talking about? You're confusing me.
Oh, you think I won't find out?
Find out what? Listen, I don't understand. What are you talking about?
That you paid those guys to harass me on my way. Morris, you plotted everything. It's been you all this while. Like, how could you do something like this to me? What were you thinking? That I would get more attracted to you?
Where did you get all these lies? I don't know those guys. I mean, I don't know what you're talking about.
Oh goodness, you are still lying.
Not lying. I don't know who they are. I have nothing to do with your kidnapping.
Get out. Else I'll call the police.
Baby, can you please calm down?
Oh, stop calling me baby! I am not your baby. Oh, he mistaken? So you don't recognize your baby when you see one? I know what the solution is. I'm simply going to call my uncle, who's a policeman, and I'm sure his station is somewhere around, to call his boys to help me get you arrested. You're a very bad person. Right now, get out of my house. Just get out of my house. Get out! Leave my house! Get out! Get out!
Oga Morris. Go on, sir. Papa, agree to boss. Eh? No, nah. Oga Morris, I don't fit try that kind of rubbish now. I don't tell him anything, no. No, now, Oga Morris, me will be small tiger. I don't fit betray you now. I don't fit. Are they mad? No, see, Oga Morris, I go find out the person will tell him that thing. I beg, I go find out. You don't get issue at all. No, nah, no fit betray you now. You will be saying where they give us food, what they eat for this time. How can they? I no fit try am. I no fit. You na my chairman. Wait, I be na Sandra tell him. Okay, boss, no worry. I go find out. Madam, give me pure tablet.
Hello, Roland. Good morning.
Hey, Sandra, listen. Nothing is good about this money. I don't take me no they call me Roland again. My name na Small Tiger. Wait till they worry you. Wait. Sandra, wait, make I ask you. Where you there?
I'm on my way to work. I got a new job a few days ago.
You don't get a new job?
Yes.
No problem. Congratulations.
Thank you.
See my play waiting this up now. More just come now, come attack us now, as me and you they talk like this.
Maurice came to attack you guys?
Yes, now.
Why?
Wait, make I ask you. You tell him anything. You tell that woman anything. Say na Maurice send us more run that matter for him.
Oh, the lady found out that everything was arranged? How?
I don't explain till I give him now. I don't tell her say nothing concern us, say my hand no even take the matter. But you don't believe me.
I don't even know anything about that lady.
Before we reach our joy, begin the blow that the other boy. I don't take off. As I talk to you like that, just there for one street like that.
Or could it be that she later saw us that very day? You know that place Maurice came to give us the balance is an exposed area.
See, ma, I tell you something, I swear to God, I go find out who tell him that thing, and if I see that person, you know me now, Small Tiger, I go make sure say, I break that person, I go chuk, I will chuk that person. Be like say, everybody don't dey fuck up for this town.
I beg, make we talk later, Let me hurry to work.
But no, Alasha. Anyhow.
Okay. Wow.
Hello, Sandra.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. How are you?
I'm fine, ma'am.
So are you at the salon now?
Yes, ma'am. Though I came a bit late.
You came late to a job you just started? That doesn't tell good of you at all. I told you to be there before 8 a.m. So why did you come late?
Yes, you did. I'm sorry, ma'am.
And why are you late, Sandra?
It's because Maurice came to attack the other guys. Saying they told you they were paid to harass you.
Okay, it's okay. And what did you tell them?
I told them I don't know anything. I didn't tell you anything. I don't know you. I don't even know where you stay.
That's good. And if he asks, make sure you tell him the same, alright?
Okay, ma.
No matter how much Maurice pushes you, stand on your word. Am I clear?
Alright, ma.
If there is anything, just let me know. Am I clear? And again, Sandra, I will not entertain you coming to my store late next time. Take care of yourself. I'll call you later.
Thank you, ma.
Hi, girl.
Boss, good afternoon.
Good afternoon. How are you?
I'm fine.
How much do you sell your bole?
You have the one of 300, the small ones. Then the big ones, 400. We have fish, 500, small ones, big ones, 1,000.
All right, give me 2 big plantain
Okay.
and 2 big fish.
Okay. Just wait for me, I'm coming.
All right. All right.
It's 2,800.
All right. All right. You can have it.
Sir,
Here is 5,000 there.
but it's 2,800.
I know you can keep the balance.
Thank you, sir.
Welcome.
God bless you, sir.
Yeah. Please, can I get your digits?
Uh,
I mean your phone number.
No, sir. I'm sorry. I don't give my numbers to strangers. I'm sorry, sir.
I am not a stranger. I am Edward.
Sir. Okay, don't worry. Anytime you come to this shop, you will see me. This is my shade. I'm always here. If I want to talk to me, anything at all, tell me. I'm always
All
here.
right. All right. All right. Take care.
Thank you, sir. God bless you. Thank you for the money. I appreciate it, sir.
You're welcome.
Thank you, sir.
Slow down. No shortcut in life. Hey, everything is fake. The life is a game. Oh, not judge. They want to make you believe they are high class chicks. They are high class. Nothing is real. These are girls who can pay their bills. Keep living a borrowed life. Nothing is real about these girls. Hey.
Glorious dancing, epitome of beauty, paragon of Ifanalo. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. What are you doing under this hot sun?
I'm waiting for a cab.
We are waiting for a cab. The cab is here. So where are you going to?
Don't bother. You might not be going my direction.
No man in his rightful senses will see a girl like you and still have direction. Your direction is my direction. Just direct me. Okay?
Okay. If you say so.
I love that. Follow me.
It's a game. Oh, not judge. They want to make you believe they are high class chicks. They are high class. Nothing is real. These are girls who can pay their bills. Keep living a borrowed life. Nothing is real about these girls. Hey, they keep living a fake life, fake life, fake life, fake life. Nothing is real, oh. Nothing is real. Nothing is real, oh. Nothing is real. They keep living a fake life, fake life, fake life. Nothing is real, oh. Nothing is real. The more you look, the less you see.
I enjoyed you so much.
Same here.
You're so sweet, baby.
You too.
I would love to have you again.
I'm always here.
All right. Look for a while, you'll see me coming, okay?
Okay.
Hey. Now, wow. Edward, good evening.
Good evening.
What are you doing with this prostitute, this dirty thing? This thing never passed since how many days? What do you do with her?
Who are you calling a prostitute?
Naija,
You
shut
dey
up!
craze? You dey craze? They swear for you, they see me for road, they insult me. You dey craze?
What do you do with my man? I never give you your hair. I have given you your hair, so what are you doing with
I
my
have
man?
collected my hair. Is that what's paining you? Is that what's paining? What is it again? Or do you want me to collect the other things you borrowed from me? Borrow? Eh? Since you're shameless, you want to be embarrassing yourself everywhere. Do you want me to collect the remaining things you're holding?
You have collected your hair. What about the men I have hooked you up with?
Hey.
Where is my commission? I shower or lotion like you. You not get shame. You're with my man. You dey craze?
Who they talk about?
Are you mad?
Who is your man?
Eh.
Madam, the last time I checked, you be correct roadside assembly. When you just man.
I don't get mad.
Wait till they talk.
You the grace. You the mad. I don't get mad. Are you stupid? You slap me.
You slap me. You slap me. Why you go slap me? You think I get shame? Why you go slap me? Why you go slap me? You think I get shame? You think I get shame? Man, come on. Why you go me? You think I get shame? You think I get shame? You think I get shame? You come to this. You I don't understand. You don't understand. You don't understand. You disgrace Edward. Where you go? Edward, where you go? Edward, you leave me. This guy want to kill me. Oh. Hey, when I come home, this guy.
So, how much is left to settle them? 1.9. Haba, Mama. That's a lot. Mama, no, I wasn't screaming. It's fine. I will call them when I'm free. Let them send me all the payments I've made so far. I need to check something. No. Mama, let me settle something. I will call you right back. Yes, Mama. No, everything's fine. Okay, Mama. Later. Sure. Tracy. What is this? What? Were you in a fight? Hey. Is that Kenny? That girl I told you about. That girl that embarrassed me because I collected her wig. That same one that humiliated you in public. Yes! Can you imagine? See Wala. I saw her with Edward. That guy I told you about now. That new guy. I saw just a waka like this. I saw two of them. They just touch themselves. I could go meet her. I say, Kemi, what are you doing with my man? Now she can't call me names. They call me Tracy names. They call me Ashawo. They call me Runs Girl prostitute. As I hear like this, I give her boza. Now I give her that boza. She give me back. Now I fight boss. Tracy, but you shouldn't have. You're just locked up. Come on. Do you know she's known him for a really long time before you met him? I don't understand. That guy tell me, say, get free. He doesn't have a babe now. Check him out now. And you believe him? Why don't I believe him? Tracy, you don't believe Adam? Tracy, you believed him. A guy telling you he doesn't... Tracy, I thought you were smarter than this. I don't want to believe that you fell for this trick. Me, Tracy, fall for waiting. I didn't fall for anything. I just wanted to pay her back. I wanted to show her, in fact, I wanted to teach her a lesson. Oh, you just wanted to pay her back. And in that process, she beat you blue-black and tore your top. Baby, never know me. She not beat me. She did not do me anything. You need to see where, hey, God, do. When do you not know Tracy? If you see what I did to that girl, I pieces her clothes, I tear her. When I raise this girl up, I make her know say I be gele. She never said that. You see that attitude? I blow her. Forget that matter. Forget say she said she tear my clothes or she give me this small injury. When I beat that girl, I give her public disgrace. Everybody got not be smarty. Forget to hey. If like see, I don't change because back then when I did school, I did beat, I did scatter, forget. I don't want to talk too much. I don't want to talk too much. I'm clapping for you.
I bet just they clap for me like
so
this.
So what did you get?
I gained everything. I gained happiness. I gained that. In fact, man, not talk too much. Because you see that girl, it never end like this. Not be me again, Tracy. I go run a matter. Never see anything. Tracy. Ma go back, I beg. All my body dey pepper me. Ma go back. I beg, I don't want to wear shoe, my shoe joy. Ma go back. That girl, he never said this. Next time, now 32 things I will pull out.
Tracy will always be Tracy.
Hey, Everything is fake, the life is a game. All Nigerian, they want to make you believe they are high class chicks. They are high class. Nothing is real. These are girls who can pay their bills.
Morris! Morris, I mean this. Ah! You don't tell. My guy, see us you fresh. Where was your Yamamoto?
Sorry, who are you? Morris, na Emeka now. You don't forget me. Emeka that year. What is Emeka?
Emeka, your classmates now for school that year now.
You don't even look like one who went to primary school, not talk of the university. When I ask him Emeka, what is Emeka? Is it a name of a street or a name of a pool or a name of... What are you talking about? Who are you, Oga?
Morris, no verse, I beg. No mind my look, and our condition make me dey like this. No verse, I beg.
But I can't remember you all the same.
As I see you like this, I don't get hope. Say today, say I go chop where. I beg, no verse. If you bless your guy, I beg.
My brother, don't touch me! Oga, don't touch me. I don't know you. I'm asking Emeka, your classmates, your classmate. Guy, you didn't go to primary school, or guy. If you want money, just say you want money.
Morris, now you Emeka, your guy that year for school. Now your classmates.
Oga, I don't know you. If you're hungry, say you're hungry. Let someone help you. Ask me niggas.
Okay, no wahala, I beg. If you help me with small money, I beg. Make I take chop, I beg. No verse. Yeah?
You didn't go to primary school, Oga. Say the truth and let the devil be ashamed. Don't talk. You went to which university?
So like, you don't just forget me like this now.
Oga, we know all these things. I was like this before I made money. You go to primary school.
You don't buy car. See as you fresh.
Still talking.
Oh, no.
Okay, that format don't care. See you change that format. You get us school now. See you in the
Morris. Yeah? You don't buy car. Morris, my guy. Have fun, Morris.
My brother, don't touch me now.
I beg. Thank you for the money, I beg. Eh? At least this one will take me like 2 days. But waiting, I won't talk now. I say, how will take see? I feel see you maybe like later in the day or tomorrow.
My brother, there is no other way for us to meet. We'll meet when God says we'll meet. That's it.
Okay, no verse, I beg, no verse. If you give me your number so that I will call you later, I beg. Your number so that I will call you. Is it possible?
Do you have a phone?
I no get, no verse, I no get. If you write down for paper, just small paper, I beg, so that I will go business center call you. Is it possible?
And you say you be my classmate.
Make a condition.
You don't even get palasa.
As I tell you, that condition put me like this, oh. Eh?
You don't have a phone.
No condition is permanent. Phone go come, eh? So that I will call you, maybe for business center, we go talk.
My brother, you need help.
Maybe lie. Maybe lie, eh?
Morris, my man!
Your voice will finish.
Here go. See, you don't even buy car. Eh? Hey! Morris! Morris! He has his number. Morris! 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 come here. See, Maurice. Coconut head is now doing well. I just gambled all I had. All because I want fast money. Good. I know when the lady calls on me. Could it be that is the cause that is causing this whole problem for me? Could it be? Wendy, please forgive you. Forgive me. Forgive you. I told people that I'm fine. But they still see me like a mad person. Mad person. Me, I'm come here. No, Wendy, please forgive me. Wendy, please. I am tired of this life.
Madam, I don't check am. How much? Now like 3 days. Now I go to arrange everything. So I will just arrange them, and before 3 days time, everything will done dey okay.
There's no problem. Besides, I'm traveling to return in that same 3 days time, so it's best I leave the car with you.
Yes. That 3 days before you come, I go don put everything in order. And just for you to come carry the motor. Where the car key? Okay.
No problem. Just send me your account number so I can send you your money in full.
Yeah.
3 days. Make sure my car is ready. I don't want to return from my journey and start looking for Uber.
No, Madam Queen, you no get problem. Before that 3 days, I don't arrange the car. Car don't dey okay. Listen, I go forward my account number.
Finish my car on time.
Yes, safe trip.
How far?
See enjoyment. Enjoy,
Come on, join me.
No, thank you. I ate lots of fruits today, so enjoy.
No wonder, but I know you like food.
Small.
But what happened? You're supposed to get home before me.
Yes, I was supposed to get home before you, but on my way home, I noticed my car was making some funny and disgusting noise. No, I don't like that. So I had to take it to the mechanic workshop.
And have you fixed it now?
Not yet. The guy gave me 3 days to come pick my car.
3 days. Not bad. It's not far.
Exactly. And it's even better for me. That same time I'll be returning from this brief journey I want to make. It's not what you're thinking, because
look at you. Guess what I saw today? Maurice, do you know that guy had the guts to walk up to me and start talking to me?
I'm telling you. And what was he saying?
What else? That I should talk to you, that he's sorry, that he didn't mean to do what he did, blah, 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 and all that. You know what? I just paid him a deaf ear as if I didn't, like, no one was even talking to me.
That's good.
He got so ashamed and just entered his car and
and left. That guy is so shameless. I pity any woman that wants to start any serious relationship with him. He's full of lies.
Big liar. He's such a jerk.
Hey, make her go freshen up. Baby girl needs to look pink.
They go now. I don't hear.
I need to look pink.
I
need to look pink.
Thank you.
Hey, go on.
Are you sure you don't?
God. Queen!
Hey! Wicked girl. She even left. Joking.
It's always a delight.
Wendy.
Let me call you back. What do you want?
Wendy, please. I want your mercy. Wendy, I want your forgiveness. Please, I want you to cancel all the curses you laid on me, Wendy.
Please, take it easy. I did that the very day I saw you in this condition. So please don't bother me. I'm a busy person.
Thank you so much, please.
You're welcome. Just
hold on, please. Wendy, you know I still love you.
Eh?
Yes, I still love you. I want you back, please.
God forbid, but go and raise that gutter mouth that used to say that. What is wrong with you now? You dey crazy? Which kind of nonsense be this one now? Why are you trying to embarrass me?
It's me and you. Eh? It's me and Mecca. You don't know me again. Please, I want you to take me back.
Are you mad? What is... Ah!
I'm sorry. Wendy, please.
What?
Please, I beg. No verse, I beg. If it give me something, I beg. Make her fit take job, I beg. Wendy, no dey easy for your guy, Emeka.
Oh God, you've spoiled it all once again. What is the meaning of guy? Are you stupid? Don't say together, guy. Those things, they irritate me. What's your problem?
Sorry.
Take. And don't follow me. Don't. You don't know me. I don't know you. Don't. You should just get away. Get away from me. Don't do that. Bobby, don't follow me.
Wendy, I still love you. Wendy, see me now. Look at me. Wendy, I still love you.
Hello, Victor. How far now? Your money don't too long ago. You know they pick person call at all. Eh? Abeg, come on for here. You this year picking. Abeg, wait first. Do you have any car for rent? I need a car, yeah. Today or tomorrow. We'll get some kind of waka. Alright, no wahala. Just send me your answer. Guy, you two dey talk. Send me your account number, abeg. Alright, no wahala. You know, I'll take cruise this motor and I want. Now we dey run this town. I go run out. Hey,
everything is fake. The life is a game. Oh, Naija, they want to make you believe they are high class chicks. They are high class.
Hey, Alpha. Have you arrived now? No, me, I'm home. Listen, focus so. Don't go and meet somebody again that has Morris trait. You're laughing. Okay. Oh yeah, no, that's fine. I'll talk to you when you're settled. Bye. Take care. And I miss you.
Make you slow down, slow down. No shortcut in life. Naija, they want to make you believe they are high class chicks. They are high class. Nothing is real.
Sister. Mercy, how are you?
I'm fine, sister.
How is the business?
You can see it's moving well.
Let's look at what you've done with the business.
It's me. I'm proud of myself.
Listen, I want to appreciate you for everything you've been doing for our business. Come on.
Thank you, sister.
When you told me that you could do this, trust me, I didn't see this coming. I didn't know you would make so much progress.
Sister, why? So you don't even believe in me?
I trust your capabilities. After all, you're my sister.
Thank you, sister.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Wow, this is really good. This is so good. I'm super happy with everything you're doing. Just continue like this very soon.
Look who we have here. My stubborn friend.
What are you doing here?
I came to get her.
No, leave. Leave, please.
Tell me one reason I should leave. Are you the owner of this shade? I came to see her. And
For your information, this is my shade, and she is my younger sister.
Okay. Younger sister Kwenu. Yeah. I haven't come to see you, eh? Nah. Take him back. So you, wait a minute. You own a baller business and you didn't tell me. How is business doing? How is baller business doing?
Well, it's not really I don't really sell bole. And she's not really my younger sister, but she's like a sister to me because she lives really close to me. Yeah.
She lives really close to you. She's
Yes.
like a sister to me. She's
Yes,
this and that.
yes,
I
yes.
understand. Son, better person, eh? Can I have baller, please?
How much belly you want?
You know, as you arrange them for me that time. Just run up like that. Eh? Better picking.
Okay,
Aha! Don't
sorry,
worry.
don't wound yourself.
Eh? Better picking. So, better picking. Fresh you. Some people go just fine, get everything in place. You go to say them be angel. Devil in person.
You are the devil. In fact, devil's incarnate. That's what you are.
Guilty conscience. No talk to you. I don't talk to you. I don't call your name. Better person. You know? Aha! I beg you, wait for me. You better begin.
Hey! She's not selling again. Leave this place. Leave. What is on leave?
I know that. Can I have my bullet, please?
No. She does not want to sell to you anymore. Go to another place and buy bullet. Not in this place. Not today.
Some people go just fine. You go to say they be better person. Devil in person. See, Wahala for here. Wahala in your heart. See as it be.
Leave this place. I don't want to leave this place.
You go continue to sell bullets.
See how you useless man, devil incarnate, troublemakers everywhere. You to keep this thing. Hey, sister, this is what you've been doing here when I'm not around. Come and sit. Come here. Yes, sit down. Listen good. Henceforth, this place belongs to you. You are in charge. Get that into your head. Do you understand me? You are in charge of this place. Do you understand me?
I'll tell you, sister.
This thing you're wearing, you know where next time. Are you listening to me?
But sister, you need to calm down whenever you are angry. Calm down.
Did I ask for your advice? Did I tell you to advise me, Mrs. Advisor? If I get out, go and take that ball before I bounce. Stupid girl. Hi! Hi, I didn't insult him. Hi! I should have insulted him. Hi! He will still meet me another day. Hi!
Chief, you don't have a problem. You don't at all. Okay, tell me, how many girls do you need? 4 girls. Alright, so when do you need us? Tomorrow morning. Okay, it's fine. Consider it done. See, Chief, I go just arrange extra 2 girls when will come with me and my friends. You know, get wala. Oh yeah, now, so how the package won't be now? No, Chief. No. They will not accept 100K. That will not work at all. Chief, these girls, when are they paro, they give you. So when I want package, give you. Now, see, now high class girls. Not be all these local street girls. Not be all these 2K, urgent 2K girls. These girls, they are. See, Chief, if you see these girls. So I won't be. Look, Chief, hold on. Wait. Okay, Chief, don't worry. I will have to beg them to take 200K. Okay, 150K is fine. I'll talk to them. But remember, say my own now 200K. 1 naira no go loss. Eh? Alright, no wala. I'll get back to you. Bye, darling. This sparrow, 200K. Yeah, father love.
Hey, everything is fake. The life is a game. Oh, not Naija, they want to make you believe they are high class chicks. They are high class. Nothing is real. These are girls who can pay their bills. Keep living a borrowed life. Nothing is real about these girls. Hey, they keep living a fake life, fake life, fake life, fake life. Nothing is real, oh, nothing is real. Nothing is real, oh, nothing is real. They keep living a fake life, fake life, fake life. Nothing is real, oh, nothing is real. The more you look, the less you see. Everything is fake, the life is a game. Oh, not Naija, they want to make you believe they are high class chicks. They are high class. Nothing is real. These are girls who can pay their bills. Keep living a borrowed life. Nothing is real about these girls. Hey, they keep living a fake life, fake life, fake life, fake life. Nothing is real, oh, nothing is real. Nothing is real, oh, nothing is real. They keep living a fake life, fake life.
Madam, come and take your money. This Ebola is sweet, too.
Thank you. You like them? Bros, now 500 be this way. Your man is 700.
But we agreed on Ebola 400, plantain 100 naira. So what are you saying?
Yeah. I didn't agree on that one, no. Plantain at 250 each. You bought 2, making it 500. Beans, 200, making how much? 700. And then giving me 500. I don't understand.
See this babe. Wait. You want to scam me?
Me scam you.
Ben the smart guy.
As.
See, madam, let me tell you, plantain is 200 naira each. Then I bought beans 100 naira. Everything amount to 500. So what are you talking about?
Your money is 700. Sister. What is going on here? This boss right there here. He bought plantain of 250 each. 2, which is 500 naira. Beans 200, which is what? total of 700 naira. And he's giving me 500. I don't know.
Madam, I told you that I will pay you 400 for the bole. And 100 naira for the beans. If I want this 100 naira, that's not this. 0 naira.
That one.
Oga, wait. Oga, you dey stay this country?
Yes.
You dey buy fuel?
Wait till go happen.
You know how Nigeria dey cost now, shey? Your balance at 200 naira, pay at 200 naira.
Madam, you lie. You lie. I'm not balancing any 200. I'm not balancing a penny. Chinchi. Chingba no day. You like take it to the station anyway. I'm not giving you nothing.
Oga, I swear you balance at 200 naira. See, now, I don't want to argue with you. Just give am 200 simple.
Come.
You pay. Give am 200 naira.
Babe, you dey crazy. Wait, you won't provoke me. That's the place you won't collect you. Remember, I didn't buy anything from you. Respect that. Are you hearing me? Respect.
You know they look face. What they worry you?
You already met her. Come, remember, I did not buy anything from you. I mean, you won't collect. What the up?
Hey, you not buy anything from me?
Yes, now.
Oga, this shade when you dey so, now my shade, now me get am. This person when there, now my younger sister. Put the equation together. That means you buy this bole and this business you do now from me. I got balance at 200 naira. Bros, give me.
I go. Well,
scared to make I see you.
You know, give my bag.
I don't want to give you your bag. I got balance 200 naira. Don't worry you.
Want to see madness?
Oga, where your craze stop, Now do another person over start.
You better talk to your sister. If not, I will do something stupid.
You know what in there?
Do the right thing, I beg.
What kind of yama disgusting, rotten, useless bag when you come off my shop? Come here, officer. Come here.
Your mates, two of them are mates, they office, they work.
See your mates when they come on that tree, call the chop on them. Come here. Your mates get car, they drive.
The trek. You don't get sense. No, we just stay no, carry problem up and down.
Idiot. Come on, 200 and not feel pay. Then they make noise. You go turn that volley for a bun. Run. Stupid yama disgusting boy.
Hey, everything is fake. The life is a game. Oh, not judge. They want to make you believe they are high class chicks. They are high class. Nothing is real. These are girls who can pay their bills. Keep living a borrowed life. Nothing is real about these girls. Hey, they keep living a fake life, fake life, fake life, fake life. Nothing is real, oh, nothing is real. Nothing is real, oh, nothing is real. They keep living a fake life, fake life, fake life. Nothing is real, oh, nothing is real. The more you look, the less you see.
Wendy!
Beauty!
Wendy! What are you doing here? Do you live around here?
Oh, no, not at all. I just came around to see a friend.
So where are you going?
Home, actually.
Home? Okay. I mean, we can go together so I can know where you live.
That would have been a great idea, but I have a couple of errands to run. Just one or two places I need to make, some meetings I need to attend to. But, and besides, the reason why I do this stuff is because the estate where I live, once I get in there, coming out is always stressful. So I just like to run my thing in town, then go back to the estate and relax. Yeah.
Okay, I understand. But are you with your car?
Oh, that. You won't even believe what happened to me earlier. I came out this morning and on my way I started hearing noises. I don't know what happened. So I took it to the mechanic and he said I should just leave it there and come back for it tomorrow. You know this computerized thing they do? Yeah, he said so. He just told me to leave it there, that I should come pick it up tomorrow. So here I am, standing here waiting for a taxi.
Okay. It's fine, it's fine. I understand.
Oh, where are you off to, darling?
I'm going home.
Oh, okay.
But if you don't mind, I mean, you can come along so you know where I live.
That would have been a great idea. But like I said, I need to finish running these errands. They are quite, my meetings, I can't even push them. Here's what we'll do. Give me your address. Then if I finish early, I'll just drop by. But if not, some other time, you can always hook up. I know you're a busy person. I'm super busy. So we'll hook up. Yeah. Can I have your card? Or just tell me. Don't worry. Tell me.
Nothing is real about these girls. Hey, they keep living a fake life, fake life, fake life, fake life. Nothing is real.
I'm coming.
Nothing is real. It's real. They keep living a fake life, fake life.
Hi.
Hello.
Welcome. Come in.
Thank you.
Oh my God. Sit down.
Oh, thank you. You're welcome. Thank you. And Queen?
She traveled, but she'll be back tomorrow next.
Oh, that's fine. That's fine.
What can I offer you?
Water. That's fine. Yeah, just a glass of water.
Water? Are you sure? Okay. 1 minute, I'll be right back.
Nothing is real. These are girls who can pay their bills. Keep living a borrowed life. Nothing is real about these girls. Hey, they keep living a fake life.
Okay. Water. Oh, thank you.
Oh, thank you.
There you go. Sorry.
It's okay. It's okay.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
You don't have a... Oh, okay. Let me help you.
Thank you.
So, this is where I'm going to manage it now.
Well, it's okay. You shouldn't call it manage. You have a roof over your head. It's okay.
What is that? Come in, the door is open. Hey, Dad! Daddy!
My beautiful daughter.
Daddy!
How are you?
I'm fine, Dad. Welcome.
Yes. You have me.
Hi. Dad. Hi. This is my friend Wendy. Wendy, my dad.
Hi, sir.
Yeah.
It's nice to meet you.
Same here.
Please, I beg to take my leave. I told you I have a lot of places to be, so I'll just go run those errands.
Okay. I'll just see you. Thank you.
I hope I'm not the one chasing you.
No, not at all. Not at all. Yes.
Oh, okay. Let me just take this back. Okay. Sure. Let's go.
Oh, sure. All right, sir.
I'll be back, Dad.
Okay.
1 minute.
Bernard, what are you doing here now?
Tracy, I don't understand. At least let me in before these questions now.
You haven't answered my question. I said, what are you doing here?
I didn't know you've even packed out from your former house. Your former neighbor had to give me your address. Place not easy to find. I trekked tire.
Hey, you trek tire. You never even start to the trek. You never start to the trek. You always have a way of taking people unaware. What's your problem? Eh?
I don't understand how.
How? You don't understand how? You're asking me how? Eh? You just came to my house without calling, without notifying me. You're asking me how? Don't you know how to call? You don't have a phone? What if I was not in town?
Though I've been in town for like 3 days now in my friend's place, you know. I said to myself, at least let me come spend some time with my big sis.
Oh, really? You have been in town for like 3 days, so you decided to come and see me without calling? Without calling? They misbehave.
I'm sorry now.
Sorry for yourself. Abeg, carry your bag, go inside, abeg. Take your bag and go in, please.
Hope there's food in this house. I'm really hungry.
No, food's there. Check kitchen. If you see food.
What is shouting in here?
No, say.
I don't understand the way they shout for me in here.
Hello? How far now? Although your chat when you're the chat person, so I don't understand. Every time you chat, Wait till you want, man.
Yes.
Dad. Do you know her from somewhere?
Who? Oh, her. No. Why are you asking?
No, because you looked surprised when you saw her. So I thought maybe you've met her somewhere before.
No. Actually, my surprised look was as a result of the way she was looking at me. So I was wondering, why was she looking at me? You know. I wanted to ask, but she said she was leaving, so I didn't bother myself.
Okay. Yeah. Though I asked her and she said that you look like her uncle's friend.
Oh. Well, she must have met me with her uncle. Probably that was why she was looking at me like that.
Okay, that could be.
So how did it go? The property that was put up for sale.
Oh, that. Very good. Yes, amazing. But I would advise that we make proper investigation on the property before buying it.
Of course. I will carry out due diligence. A man of my caliber won't buy anything without doing proper findings, you know?
Yeah, I suppose. Okay, Dad. Just wait right here. Let me prepare something for you to eat before leaving.
That's fine.
Right back there.
All right.
How long did you say you're staying here?
4 or 5 days. Though I'll go back to my friend's place and I will leave from there.
Yeah. But you have to be very careful. This one is city. May no go lose guard. So you know the way city life not easy like that too. Like bass boss.
I know that. Tracy, I know this vibe. Don't worry. Anyway.
Alright, no wahala, just stay safe, eh?
No wahala, Tree.
Okay, alright. Yeah. Hello? Ashawo. Alpha. How you doing now? You say what? Where are you? You went to see your friends. See, hope say you dress well, because now the way you dress, now so they take address you. May not go look down on you. What's happening? You met Mr. Collins? Oh, I see. He came to see his daughter. Okay, the girl I met him with, she's one of your friends you talked about, Abby. Now, wow. All those that Ross girls anyhow. Those their shower vibes and the rest. I'm like, okay, I'll see you. I'll see you. Don't worry. When you're back, we will talk. No, just say, yeah. Why? Why did you say you're not coming back? All right now, no problem. Just take care of her, please. I know your sister has tried, and I know it's stress that's worrying her, so no wahala. Okay, I know she's stressed out. No problem. Just take care of her. All right. Bye. Okay.
Babe, I hope you're still coming back next tomorrow. I'm expecting you. Anyway, Wendy was here today. I'm serious, I'm not even playing. No, I told her to call you when you return. Hold on, let me call you back. There's someone at the door. Who's there?
It's a friend!
A friend? That voice sounds like Maury's voice. What is it doing here? What are you doing here?
Go in. Tell Queen that I have come for us to talk.
Queen is not around. Just leave.
Listen, I know you don't like me. I know you don't want me around. But I haven't come to see you. Go in. Tell Queen that I am here so we could have a talk.
I don't think you heard me correctly. I said Queen is not around. So just leave. Or better still, you can call her on the phone.
Not answering my calls.
Oh.
I'm sure you're aware of that.
You know what? Just go. Leave. Rubbish. I didn't even know I didn't lock this door. Nuisance. I'm going to see my queen. It's not only queen, it's king. You will see. Stupid boy. What was I even doing? What the hell was I talking to? Okay, queen.
Bernard, this one you have said that you're done with the roof. I don't want to hear that in few months' time the roof will start having problem. Please. You're the man of the house. That was why I entrusted everything on you.
I know, no, everything is fine. When you come, you will see for yourself.
Are you sure? Make sure they do a very solid job. I don't want to hear a story. Eh? Okay, no problem. Oh. This channel. Mom. Hello, Mom. I'm fine. Everyone is fine. He's here. Okay. You want to talk to him? Alright. Take. Mama wants to talk to you. Take.
Hello, Mama. Good evening. You know, I forgot, ma. Let me send the number to you right away. Yeah, and you take care of yourself too.
No shortcut in life, and it's fake. The life is a game. Oh, not judge, they want to make you believe.
I think say Sarah say she dey come. Now wetin she talk oh, but she never come. I be make we dey go. No. Make we just wait for her small. Okay, how she dey delay now? Yeah? I hope they did not see me, oh. Babes, see one of those girls, we were attacked that day. Nah, true. Nah, she. Let's go after her. She died well today. I hope they did not see me. Did they see me? Oh God, I don't enter today. I don't enter today. That day. Now one of them was this one. Yes. Why she diverted into the street now? Yes, now. Why will not see her again? Abi she disappear.
The thing surprised me. See, girls, you guys have to calm down now. But I believe that she's in this street.
Yes.
She's around here. I think she's hiding somewhere.
We have to look for her. Let's look for her.
Where this girl enter? Now where this girl enter? Let's go, let's go.
Like this now.
Enemy they pursue me.
Which enemy they pursue you?
Tracy, there are plenty enemy they pursue me. Me yakpa for everywhere. Tracy, remember those girls? Those girls you and I fought with the other time. I saw them or they saw me. Which one? There was a scene. Tracy, mainly these girls. They saw me. They pointed at me. You know when they won't keep person now when Judas won't kill Jesus, he kiss his hand. So the girls they point me. So they come walk towards me. So I piante. I don't leave them enter. They pursue me. I enter one street. I walk on that street. I just run. My sister. Finally, the way me like this, they run this Olympus. I don't know. Because they tell me say I feel wrong. I don't go believe her more. But I was able because of God to divert their attention. That's why I escape. Just I escape.
Now wow. Person when they inside pit as a sea snake, you don't know where they run come out. Now so you just be. Eh? 4 of them. If I know wrong, they for pan beat me. They go pan beat me like small. I don't understand though. Because this run now you just bash inside time I say
and they say 4 people. They tell say you for them they beat you like small pikin now. Then they make mouth rubbish. Tracy. You tell me say you know they allow boys for inside this house. What's this guy doing here? What is he doing here?
And that is now your business. Huh? Are you the one to tell her who to bring or who not to bring to this house?
You the meant? They don't walk. You know that my vision for your house. I be like your mate, so like that.
You like say you don't the meant, huh?
You like say you don't the waiting. You the great. You don't get sense. You don't get respect. What they worry you? This person here, she's my friend and my roommate, and we both pay the bills. What's your problem? You don't lose God anyhow. I don't like this kind of thing though. You better get respect. Why you got no. Just imagine this nonsense.
This boy they mannerless. This boy they because a man is tall like sugar cane. Why they worry this idiot? No, they reach your vest. Because I did a fight war for us, I come and they fight war for inside. Which kind of nonsense be this one now?
You don't do now.
No, you never do.
Yeah, sit down.
No, sit down. Which kind of nonsense be this one now?
My brother.
Why you not talk like this?
My brother.
No, why you never had the first time?
Don't chat for me like that.
Why not shot for you? Why you suppose to call this house? Go to three boys, call this house. Which kind of nonsense is that one? They see them you there now. Which kind of rubbish be all those one now?
Which kind of nonsense?
Let's go to fight first. Still go inside, let's go to fight.
Show yourself.
No, I need to
show myself. Quiet, so make my neighbors not carry on.
Don't try ya. Which kind of nonsense?
Tell your wahala they go now. Abi you want to enter me?
I will enter you. Say walk you now.
Because you
say walk you.
Customer.
It's up again.
Bros, good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Since you're fine.
Thank you. How much belly you want?
You now still take the hanger, you now still the package and garnish them. Normal level.
Bros, I beg. I don't know if you can wait. The ones here has been bought, except you want the ripe ones.
No, I don't want ripe one. But whether if you wait, for you, I'll wait.
Thank you.
I'll wait, I'll wait.
It's not take time.
And, but how your Wahala friend, very beautiful, very troublesome. How she dey? You don't know the one where the last time we did where they talk.
She's fine, very fine.
Oh, that your girlfriend there, as she find her so she take that sense. Why is she so problematic?
No, she's a nice person. You just need to understand that. That's all.
Person go fit understand that one.
They come.
Better pikin. I just reason I'm saying instead I go just stay here the wait. I get one of my friend I won't rush see her. So I believe by that time you go down ready. Make her just rush see him, you go down ready now. Better pikin, better person. So I go to go,
Okay,
bro. Say before I come, you go down ready.
You go ready?
Better pikin. Hey, so might just they go now.
Yes, bros. They go.
I want they go now. Just say make I ask. Go down ready now. Better pikin. Better. But they come now, You go down ready now. Are they come now? Now, Now. Okay, now.
Stop coming to my house before I get you arrested for harassment. What is this? Are you missing your way to your house or something?
Honestly, you want me to make you understand that I'm sorry. I know I hurt you, I know I misbehaved, but please, I own up. I'm sorry. Let it go.
I forgive you. Not for the friendship? No way.
And that's why you blocked me?
Yes, that's why I blocked you. I blocked you for begging my phone for nothing. Are you this jobless or you don't have anything meaningful to do with your life?
That means you can forgive me, we can be friends again?
You can call it whatever you want. I am running late for work. I don't have time for nonsense and jobless people.